Welcome back to the Herbalist channel. Today, we're talking about a warm, comforting tea that's not only delicious, but also packed with benefits for your health. It's called Clove-Cinnamon Tea, perfect for those chilly winter days when your immune system could use a little extra help. Let's dive right in. We'll start with the ingredients. All you need are 4 simple things you probably already have in your kitchen: a cinnamon stick, a few cloves, a small piece of fresh ginger, and a spoonful of honey. Simple, isn't it? Yet, these humble ingredients are bursting with properties that can work wonders for your body. First, let's talk about cinnamon. This aromatic spice isn't just for baking or lattes. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Cinnamon has powerful antimicrobial properties. This means it can help fight off bacteria and viruses. And during flu season, that's exactly what we need. But that's not all. Cinnamon is also packed with antioxidants. These are like little warriors that protect your cells from damage and keep your immune system strong. Now on to cloves. Tiny but mighty, cloves are another ancient remedy. They're known for their ability to relieve pain naturally. Have a sore throat? Cloves' soothing properties can provide quick relief. Cloves also have strong antibacterial and antiviral benefits. Just what you need to tackle winter colds and coughs. Next up is ginger. This root has a zingy kick and a long history in herbal medicine. Ginger warms you up from the inside. It's fantastic for soothing inflammation and calming an irritated throat. And finally, there's honey. This natural sweetener does more than just make the tea taste good. Honey coats your throat, reducing irritation and easing coughs. It also has antibacterial properties that complement the other ingredients beautifully. Now let's put it all together. To make this immunity-boosting tea, follow these simple steps. Take 1 cinnamon stick and 3-4 cloves. Add them to a pot of water, about 2-3 cups. Slice a small piece of ginger, about 1 inch long, and add it to the pot. Bring everything to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This allows all the flavors and health benefits to infuse into the water. After 10 minutes, strain the tea into your favorite mug. Add a spoonful of honey, stir, and it's ready to enjoy. Take a sip. Feel the warmth spread through your body. It's not just tea. It's like a hug in a cup, supporting your immune system and soothing your throat with every sip. Now you might be wondering, when is the best time to drink this tea? The answer is anytime you feel the first signs of a cold or cough, or simply when you want to give your body a little boost. It's especially great in the evening when you can wrap yourself in a blanket and unwind. Just 1 cup can make a noticeable difference. What makes this tea so special is the way these ingredients work together. Cinnamon and cloves fight off harmful microbes. Ginger reduces inflammation. And honey ties it all together with its soothing, sweet touch. This blend isn't just about preventing illness. It's also about comfort, self-care, and taking a moment for yourself. But remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to enjoy this tea a few times a week during winter. Your body will thank you. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some tips. Use fresh, high-quality spices for the best results. Old, stale cinnamon or cloves won't have the same potency. If you don't have fresh ginger, dried ginger powder can work in a pinch. And always choose pure, natural honey. Lastly, while this tea is safe for most people, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, it's a good idea to check with your doctor. And there you have it, a simple, natural way to boost your immunity and enjoy a cozy moment of wellness. If you try this Clove-Cinnamon Tea, let us know in the comments. How did it make you feel? Do you have your own favorite winter remedies? We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little winter pick-me-up. Thank you for joining us on the Herbalist channel today. Stay warm, stay healthy, and until next time, take care.